Did you know that home decor can nourish us? Our home decor should nourish and uplift us. One factor for this to happen is the way our home is decorated. Our home should be a place where we can put our feet up from the cares of the world and truly be ourselves. Our home decor is about understanding our lifestyle and what is important to us. Our home should be a place that we are comfortable with and that fits our lifestyle. Our lifestyle can change as our life changes, and hence we need to come up with a new decor trend. Maybe you really love a white sofa but you have young children, so it's not practical, and hence you need to change it with another type furniture. This is just one example of how your style can change according to what fits into your lifestyle. There are several wood furniture and wood decorative pieces you can use in your home decor venture. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Traditionally, furniture has been made of wood. With the Industrial Revolution, furniture manufactured from materials such as steel, aluminum, glass, and plastic began to appear. These materials may have revolutionized the furniture industry, but wood is undeniably a staple material in furniture manufacturing. Not only is wood everlasting, but it is timeless as well. Whether it is an armoire in the family room or a chair in the dining room, wood furniture manufacturers manage to combine eternal beauty and robust practically along with a contemporary or country style. Wood furniture is extremely resilient and requires very little maintenance. Wood is a long-lasting natural material that can stand constant abuse, whether it spills in the kitchen or scratches in the dining room. Solid wood furniture can last for generations with minimum care. No exceptional upkeep is required to make wood furniture last years. Wood furniture finished with surface finishes, like lacquer and conversion varnishes, are specifically low maintenance. Simply dust and wipe with a damp cloth periodically to maintain the original luster. Skilled woodworkers can look at a halved log of hardwood and see the graceful lines of a farmhouse kitchen table beneath the bark. Leaving things undone or done poorly isn't in their nature. When shown a piece of high-quality wooden furniture with deep scratches or other visible damage, they'll immediately begin to think about how to bring it back to its former glory. Solid wood is a natural resource that we come by organically rather than through a manufacturing process. Solid wood can be either hardwood or softwood. No surprise, hardwoods are stronger with a higher density and lot of more expensive than softwoods. Hardwoods grow at a slower rate and are more fire-resistant than softwoods, making them more scarce to harvest and more desirable for high-quality goods. Another factor in the price of hardwood comes from the fact we are only using the best parts of the tree, the heartwood, the central core of the tree where the rich color tones and core strength come from. Wood has many practical applications in a house, from flooring to cabinetry to furniture. So if you plan to embark on a renovation or design project that has to do with wood, it might be helpful to familiarize yourself with the vast variety of species out there so you know exactly what to look for, and what to skip. There are dozens of types of wood that are commonly used in the home, and they all have unique qualities that make them suited for specific applications. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.